Hello, welcome to the Great Garden Channel. There was a time when I almost gave up on my orchid pots. Even after trying all kinds of fertilizers and care methods that people passed around, the plants still didn't improve. The leaves were weak and soft, the roots developed slowly, and the flowers seemed like a distant luxury. Until one day, I decided to do the opposite. I stopped everything complicated and returned to the most natural things, ingredients available in the kitchen, things I used to throw away without even noticing. Unexpectedly, it was the very simplicity that created a big change. After just a short time, the orchids began to recover. The roots grew stronger, anchored more firmly. The leaves turned deep green and glossy. And then, the flower buds gradually appeared, gently, yet full of vitality. In this video, I will share with you an organic orchid care method, easy to do, cost-effective, yet delivering sustainable results that anyone can apply at home. If you're a beginner, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any plant care tips on the Great Garden Channel. Now, let's get started. Do you like drinking coffee? The first ingredient I use is coffee. Coffee contains nitrogen, potassium, and many natural organic compounds that help stimulate orchid growth, support leaf and root development, and especially help the plant store energy in preparation for blooming. Use a clean glass cup like in the video. Add 1 teaspoon of coffee into the cup. Next, pour in about 500 milliliters of hot water to dissolve the coffee, helping the nutrients be better extracted into the solution. Stir well until the coffee is completely dissolved, forming a uniform solution ready to be used for organic orchid care. Finally, cover and let the solution sit for 1 hour. At the same time, I use bananas as the next ingredient. Do you often eat bananas? Bananas are rich in potassium, along with many essential micronutrients that help strengthen the root system, thicken the leaves, and support natural bud formation and flowering. First, peel the banana and separate the peel, as this is the main ingredient we will use. Don't throw the banana peel away. It contains a lot of potassium and important micronutrients, which are very useful in supporting root development, strengthening leaf structure, and promoting natural flowering. Next, use a small knife like this to cut the banana peel into small pieces as shown in the video. Cutting the peel into smaller pieces increases the surface area, allowing nutrients like potassium and micronutrients to be released faster and more evenly during soaking or fermentation, helping the plants absorb them more effectively. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Then, put all the chopped banana peel into a clean glass cup. Next, add about 500 milliliters of hot water to promote nutrient extraction, allowing components like potassium and micronutrients in the peel to dissolve quickly into the water, creating an easily absorbable nutrient solution for the plant. Finally, cover and let it sit together with the coffee solution for 1 hour. While waiting, I lightly rinse the plant, a simple but extremely important step. This helps evenly moisten the growing medium, activate the root system, and wash away accumulated dirt and salts, thereby reducing the risk of nutrient shock and especially preventing root burn when exposed to concentrated solutions in the next steps. When watering, do it gently, adjusting the water flow moderately to avoid disturbing the medium or damaging the roots. Watering slowly and evenly allows water to penetrate deeply and distribute uniformly, creating optimal conditions for root absorption and helping the plant stabilize better. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. After about 1 hour, when the solutions have completely cooled, I use a strainer to remove all residues. First, carefully filter out the coffee grounds to ensure the solution is clean and uniform. At the same time, I continue to filter the banana peel. And here I combine the filtered banana peel solution into the coffee solution. Thorough filtering of both ingredients helps completely remove impurities, preventing residue buildup that could affect usage. Then, add 500 milliliters of clean water at room temperature to dilute the solution. And that's it. We now have an organic fertilizer solution for plants in the garden. Method 1. Next, pour the diluted coffee and banana peel solution into a clean glass cup. Then, use cotton or a soft cloth to soak up the solution and gently wipe both the upper and lower surfaces of the orchid leaves. This method helps remove dust and long-standing residue on the leaf surface, keeping the leaves clean and well ventilated, thereby improving photosynthesis efficiency. In addition, natural nutrients from coffee and banana peel, such as potassium, organic compounds, and micronutrients help nourish the leaves, making them greener, thicker, and glossier. You can clean the leaves about once a month, or whenever you notice dust buildup, to keep your orchid pot fresh and beautiful. Method 2. Pour the coffee and banana peel solution into a spray bottle. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Then mist it lightly and evenly over the entire orchid, including leaves, stems, roots, and leaf joints. The fine mist helps distribute the solution evenly, avoiding oversaturation of the medium or water accumulation on surfaces. Thanks to the combination of organic nutrients from coffee and natural potassium from banana peel, the leaf surface is gently cleaned, while the environment around the roots becomes more balanced and airy. When used at the correct concentration, this method helps boost resistance, supporting the plant in maintaining stable and healthy growth over time. After spraying, place the plant in a well-ventilated area for about 10 to 15 minutes to dry naturally. If there is water remaining in the leaf axils, use a soft cloth to gently absorb it to avoid prolonged moisture, a common cause of fungal diseases. Proper technique will help orchids stay clean, healthy, and develop sustainably. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Method 3. Pour the coffee and banana peel solution into a clean watering can. Then water slowly and evenly around the base so the nutrients gradually seep into the root zone. Gentle watering helps the medium absorb steadily, preventing water stagnation and avoiding root shock. Coffee provides natural organic matter, along with some micronutrients that support root growth, while banana peel, rich in potassium, enhances overall plant health, strengthens the plant, and promotes bud formation and spike development. This combination helps orchid roots grow strong, anchor firmly, and function more efficiently. Maintain watering about once per week during the active growth stage. When the plant becomes stable and starts blooming regularly, reduce to 1 to 2 times per month to ensure sustainable development. Results after 2 months of application. After about 2 months of using the coffee and banana peel method, the orchids show clear improvements. The leaves turn darker green, the leaf blades become thicker and naturally glossy. New leaves grow evenly, helping maintain stable and efficient photosynthesis. The root system recovers actively, with many new healthy white roots appearing, green root tips, and strong attachment to the medium. This indicates that the growing environment has become more balanced and well aerated, allowing continuous nutrient absorption and sustainable growth. Shoots and flower spikes develop evenly. The stems become sturdier, buds form rounder and increase in number. When blooming, the flowers maintain vibrant color and long-lasting durability, contributing to a harmonious and lively appearance of the orchid pot. What do you think about this natural care method using coffee and banana peel? Have you tried applying it to your plants? Share your experience in the comments. When properly cared for according to its growth needs, the plant will respond with stable development and lasting beauty. If you find this content helpful, don't forget to support the Great Garden channel to discover more simple yet effective orchid care tips. See you in the next videos.